Children, now question number 4. The length of 40 leaves of a plant are measured correct to 1 millimeter and the obtained data is represented in the table. So this is length in millimeter, 118 to 126, number of leaves are 3. 127 to 135, number of leaves are 5. 136 to 144, number of leaves are 9. 145 to 153, number of leaves are 12. 154 to 162, number of leaves are 5. 163 to 171, number of leaves are 4. 172 to 180, number of leaves are 2. So children, in all these classes you are observing class size as upper limit minus lower limit. So 126 minus 118, you get 8. So 8 is the class size. Everywhere 8 is the class size. But here is 126, here is 127. So this discontinuity is shown here. And in this discontinuity, we will take both upper limit and lower limit in this class. When we make the frequency table, it means 118 is counted in this class, 126 is also counted in this class. So when both upper limit and lower limit is included in that class, that type of data is called inclusive data. So when we have to plot histogram for the inclusive data, that is not possible because here is the gap. So when we have to plot the histogram, we will convert this data to the exclusive type data. Exclusive type data, to get exclusive type data, we subtract 0.5 from the lower limit and add 0.5 in the upper limit. So subtract 0.5 from here, you get 117.5. 126 plus 0.5, you get 126.5. Then continue like this, 127 minus 0.5, you get 126.5. And 135 plus 0.5, you get 135.5. Then subtract 0.5 here, 135.5, add 0.5 here, 144.5. Then subtract 0.5, 144.5, add 0.5, you get 153.5. Now children, you are observing here upper limit is same to the lower limit. That means 126.5 is not counted in the first class. It will counted in the second class. So here lower limit is counted, upper limit is not counted in that class. So this type of data is known as exclusive type data. Now, let we plot in the form of histogram. So your question is draw a histogram. Is there any other suitable representation? Is maximum number of leaves are 153 millimeter long? Why or why not? So children, first we draw the histogram. The only difference between bar graph and histogram is bars represent the separate information and histogram represent the continuous interval. So when we have the continuous interval, we draw the histogram. So let's draw the histogram. Children, here your data is given maximum to 12. So on the y-axis, I have taken here 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 up to 12. On the x-axis, we are taking length in millimeter. So first we are observing here class size 8 is here and 8 is here also. So you are observing class size is same in both. So let we start to make, let we take 1 unit as, children, now class size here is 9. So let we take 1 unit as 9. Now we are taking here 117.5. Here we are taking 126.5. Now we are taking 135.5. 135.5. Here we are taking 144.5. 153.5. 162.5, 171.5, and here is 180.5. So children, we are getting 1 unit as 9. But first we are taking 0 to 117.5. So we are showing here kink. Kink means this interval is not 9. This is taken as 117.5. After this, 1 unit is taken as 9. Now children, 117.5 to 126.5, this is 3. So we are taking here 117.5 to 126.5, this is 3. So we are taking here 3 units. Then 126.5 to 135.5, this is 5. So we are taking from here, this is 5. Now you are observing this is the continuous class interval. This is 135.5. Here also we are taking as 5. Make it join. Children, you make it with the pencil. So it will be 5. This is 3. Then 135.5 to 144.5, it is 9. It is taken as 9. So this is taken as 9. Similarly, children, you will complete this histogram. So children, in this way you complete this histogram. And draw a histogram we have done. Is there any other suitable representation? Children, we have the frequency polygon is the other suitable representation, graphical representation, but that is not in our syllabus. But you can join if the midpoint of these bars, you will get the frequency polygon. When you join the midpoint of these bars, you will get the frequency polygon. Then third part answer is maximum number of leaves are 153 millimeter long. So maximum number of leaves are 153 millimeter long. Here you are observing 153.5 is here. So 153 millimeter lies here. All are not 153. So here your answer is no, because 12 is the maximum number of leaves which have their length in between 144.5 to 153.5 millimeter. And it is not necessary that they all have their length as 153 millimeter. Maximum is here 12, and these 12 comes in 144.5 to 153.5. It is not necessary that all the leaves are of 153 millimeter. So this is not possible.